Today I'll show you a simple way to create hyper-realistic AI influencers like these, completely for free. Let's jump straight into it. First, we need a source image or model. Let's create our own. You can either take a screenshot of a model you like, or go to Instagram where you'll find many influencer-style photos. Just choose one you like and download the image. Now head over to Flow by Google. They offer unlimited image generation with Nano Banana Pro, so you can create as many images as you want. Click on Create with Flow and start a new project. Upload the image we just downloaded, then select Nano Banana Pro as the model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and choose how many outputs you want. Now paste the prompt. You'll find it in the description. After that, click Generate. Within seconds, your own AI influencer will be ready to use. Next, we're going to add motion. Your influencer can dance, lip sync, or perform any action you want. To do this, go to Instagram or Pinterest and download a video that you want your influencer to recreate, like this one. Simply copy the video link, paste it into a downloader, and save the video. Now I have my reference video and I want my influencer to perform the same actions. Head over to Higgsfield AI, Kie.ai, or any AI platform that offers Kling Motion Control. Upload the reference video we just downloaded, then upload your influencer image. Choose your resolution, click Generate, and here's the result. On Kie.ai, click on API Market and select Kling 2.6 Motion Control. Remove the default image and upload our AI influencer image here. Then remove the default video and upload the video reference. Delete the prompt and choose 720p resolution. Now click on Run and it will start creating the video. Let me download this, and here you can see the final result. It looks super realistic and the motion is smooth and natural. So go ahead and start creating your own AI influencers for free.